Hello, I'm Jim.
I'm Jan.
Hey, and we're going to take the Flip Flop Palace out today, but it's not on an adventure. We're headed to John's RV. We may be upgrading. They got to give us a little quote on what the trailer's worth. So y'all come, we'll try to walk around a little bit, show you, and then maybe go show you the trailer we're looking at buying. So y'all have fun, follow us, and we'll see you when we get there. Flip flop you later. All right, this is the road. It's exit 51 on I-20. Depends which way you come, east or west. If you come west, if you come from the west, you'll have to come across the bridge. East, you turn right. Come up to the very first red light. That will be Old Two Notch Road. You go straight. We go straight across, but you'll be turning right, or left, excuse me. And John's RV's just up over the hill. We're gonna take you a ride all the way in. It's up here, the signs are being shown now. It's just left up here. Down around the corner, you'll see it in just a minute. They used to have a smaller place on the other side of number 6, but they needed to expand, and you'll see they definitely expanded. They've been open for about a year now, from the new site. They are one of the biggest Airstream dealers around. And here we are.
And there's lots of campers to choose from. RVs and pull-alongs.
And this is their shop. All right, there we are. We're gonna put the slides out and stuff, and then go in there and let them know we're here, and see if they'll let us walk around, film a little bit, and then we'll see if our salesman is here and he can take us down, and we'll give you a picture of the camper we're looking at. So y'all hang loose, and we'll see you in a few. All right, I'm gonna take y'all in here and show you around a little bit and let you see how nice this facility is, and then we'll get our salesman to run us down there to the camper and show it. So y'all come on in. When you come in, they got a nice little showroom. Like I said, they're big on the Airstreams. So if you're looking for an Airstream, definitely come here. And on this side, they have a shop that you can buy all kind of stuff. They got all you need, everything for camping you could ask for, and they give you good prices. And in the back corner is the service department. One of the big things is they have a whole bunch of bays, and I'll get back with you on that to let you know how many. So let's walk over here and see Marty. He's our salesman.
Mom's got a beard, Bob wants to blonde, so she won't say hey.
All right, and here's Marty. He's our salesman.
Yes.
He sold us our first one, and probably going to be selling us our second one if everything goes good.
Another one down the road.
So we're going to have him take us down so we can get some pictures of the new one, and we'll go there. Y'all come along with us. So as you can see, they are Airstream. A lot of Airstreams they sell. Marty, how many bays do y'all have now?
16 inside and the cover, so like 32 bays. 16
So
inside,
16 bays inside and 16 on the outside. You can ride with him, Jan.
I'm good. All right, honey.
As you can see, they have a large selection of RVs.
No, I need to walk there.
I'm just giving y'all basically a walk down. We're walking down to the one we're wanting. So I'm giving you a little walk through the parking lot where they have all the campers. So there's a nice driver. It's real pretty. They got some beautiful campers here. And like I said, they definitely take care of you. They've taken care of us. Never had a problem. We've sent them 4 or 5 people already, and every time somebody we send, they come down and they definitely buy. Down here I call this fifth wheel row, because this is where all the fifth wheels are. As you can see, they got them stacked up in here. And there's the fifth wheel, the Wildwood Elite Series. That's the one we're looking at getting right here. Yes, it's 42 feet long. It's a monster. But it's something we've always wanted, and I think if everything goes good, we'll get it. Give you a little walk around a little bit. It got 4 slides. And we'll give you a lot better tour of it once we get it home. Then I'll open it up and show you everything inside. As you can see, these are the slides. I'm trying to do this, guys. It's kind of tight, so bear with me. It's a big, pretty one. So with all that, now we've been wanting one for a long time, so I'm going to kind of wait around and let Marty come down here and we can talk to him a little bit more while they appraise ours, and we'll hopefully get this thing. So I guess it is. We'll flop you later.
Flip flop you later.
Be good. And hey, well, we're back from John's RV, and yes, we did it. We upgraded the flip-flop palace. So now I'm going to show you the flip-flop palace number 2. There's a quick peek of it. So let's go take a walk inside and see what it looks like. As you come into the kitchen. There's like a little bar area. We have a residential fridge. Of course, gas stove and a decent oven. Convention microwave, which is actually good size for an RV. We have a pantry right next door. As you can see, we're already filling it in. Got the sink. It comes with these cutting boards, but it's a full sink, as you can see. I'm not going to take everything off. Plenty of storage. We have a half bath in here. It's not real big, but how big do you need for a bathroom? So now we're going to go up to the living room. It steps up to the living room. We have our recliners right here. This is one of the sofa beds. This is the other sofa bed. I just replaced the TV because I wanted a smart TV. They don't come with them. It's got the fireplace, the radio, the DVD player, you know, which is all just basically common in RVs. It's 2 slides. Here's one slide. Here's the second slide. So now we're going to go down to the bedroom. It's downstairs into the kitchen and then upstairs into the bedroom. That's the slide. That's the next slide out, which is for our king size bed. And as I say, I upgraded TVs. This is another smart TV that I just upgraded to. It's got a hanging closet and it has, you know, several drawers, which is plenty. And then we have our own bathroom, which has the tile closet, nice shower, bathtub, the sink, I'm sorry, the toilet's kind of set back, which is really, really nice. So you can do what you got to do and not have people see you. And inside of here is the washer and dryer hookup, which when we get done with the shakedown of this, we get a 60-day shakedown, we're probably going to have a washer and dryer combo installed. Well, that's a look at our flip-flop palace number 2. Hope you enjoyed. Let's go on back out here. So I hope you enjoyed the trip around, and if you're needing an RV, I'm telling you, go to John's RV over here in Lexington. They treat you like family. They're always taking great care of us. Go see Marty Raw. He'll take care of you. And I guess it's
Flip-flop you later.